Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you pork with garbanzo beans, and it's going to be very tasty and very delicious pork curry with Chite Chole. This is a garbanzo can I'm going to use. It's a 1 can, 15 ounce, and these are pre-cooked. I'm going to wash it with cold water, and this is what I've done. I'm going to use 3 pork chops, which are going to be 2 pounds, cut into small pieces and wash with cold water. For our tadka, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. All the spices: coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirt, salt, half teaspoon each, half cup tomato sauce. For our curry, 1 cup water. Pork chops cut into cube-sized pieces and I wash with cold water. The tip is, if you cut the small pieces, they will cook faster and they will taste better. And let's start making our delicious pork curry with garbanzo beans. Get a karahi or wok and start gas. Keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed heat up. And we're going to do it for 10 seconds. This is good enough. I'll start the fan. And we'll bring ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And I'm going to use my screen splatter. And we're going to cook for like 20 seconds. Keep mixing. If you have a screen splatter, that is really cool because it helps your counters don't get messy and also your camera screen don't get dirty. So this is all good. And now I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well. And we're going to cook our onion until they get nicely transparent. Onions are nicely translucent. And now I'm going to bring all the spices: coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri mirt, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala. Mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices half a minute. So keep mixing, cooking our spices with the tadka for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cooking our tomato sauce with the tadka for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring the meat and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on high gas, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. So keep it moving so it won't get burned at bottom. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. And now we're going to bring garbanzo beans. Chickpea, Chole. Mix it well. These garbanzo beans are pre-cooked, and if you're adding a fresh one, then it's a good idea to put it in pressure cooker. Give 1 or 2 whistles, then you take it out, then you put it inside. If you have a pre-cooked like I have, then this is a perfect. Take it out of the can, wash it, and put it in. 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid. Going to cook for 15 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 15 minutes. I came back after 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. I stir it. I'll turn the fan on. This is looking very delicious. This is a perfect gravy. If you want more gravy, then you always can add more water. Now I'm going to bring the gas on simmer. Cover with the lid and we're going to simmer it for 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes on simmer. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'm going to open it. If we check the meat is nicely cut through. It's nicely cooked. I'll bring parsley flake, 1 teaspoon, and going to mix it well. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. Delicious pork and garbanzo, pork and Chite Chole. Let me share with you. It's a restaurant pork curry. It's very tasty and very delicious. Pork and Chite Chole. You can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, and you can, best of all, serve with the rice flour. You can serve as a main course dish and it's so tasty. Please try and comment below how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.